side or something. Now, this is our focaccia pouliche. I'm going to do a dough hit.
Dough hit.
It's terrible.
Oh, it's incredible.
There's right.
Right up the knees.
Hold it in, hold it in.
Oh, that's beer.
Pass it around.
What did you say? Beer right there.
Pass it right side.
I know, right? That's Jimmy Brown Hill. That's Budweiser right there, baby.
You smell this one too.
Hold it in.
Now, how much yeast do we use?
Very little.
Yeah, literally a pinch.
2-finger pinch.
Yeah, 2-finger pinch. And look at this. Look how much he's increased in volume.
That's a lot more coating than this one, though.
Well, because I've had
That
to cover
one's
off of that and I've dug into this one already. Now, the smell you're getting from this is lactic acid. If you smell it, it's going to smell kind of almost like milky.
Yeah.
If you smell it. You see what I mean?
Smells like beer.
No, but smell it again. It's going to have a little bit of milkiness to it, like a milky smell to it. That's because Poolishes traditionally produce more lactic acid than acetic acid. Acetic acid is coming more from your sourdough starch, which wild yeast. Your Poolishes are what's commercial yeast production is going to be producing more lactic acid. So that's what's going to provide the flavor when we're dealing with using a Poulish as our base rather than a sourdough starter. So, I mean, their use of these is pretty much identical. And like I said, ideally what you're looking for complete fermentation of these when they're ready to go is they'll start to collapse. You can see how they collapse inward slightly here? Those bits and pieces that collapse inward? And you can see it. How it's collapsed?
I have a question.
That means it's ready to go. Yes?
Can you use this any other way before you start producing it into a dough? Like, it's kind of liquid. Grape, something, anything out of it.
Well, there's actually a bread that's very traditionally done in this sense called injera. It's made from teff. If you ever eaten an Ethiopian restaurant, same idea. It's a very, very liquidy sourdough, and they pour it onto a skillet, and then they peel it off, and that's what they use.
I've seen
Has little holes.
Yep. But with this, I've never seen it used in any other sense. And the reason not is because it doesn't have any salt or anything in it. So you want to use it straight. Now, you could liquefy it, you could try doing that, but keep in mind, whatever you're going to do it, it's going to rise slightly and create very even air bubbles because of the fact it's a yeasted product. So, have I ever seen it used in any other circumstance? No. Not to say it couldn't.
Right.
So, but overall, I mean, I really like Poolishes. I think they're easy to use. They're easy to. You don't maintain them. You use it up and you throw it out. It's done. I mean, you use the whole thing up usually. Obviously, because we're not going to be able to use these today, we're going to have to throw them out because they're not going to last until Tuesday. So I'm actually going to have to come in on Monday and make more Poolishes. So, and we'll have the flour then, so that we can we'll do multiple things on Monday. It's going to be a pretty busy day. So get ready to buckle your seatbelts for Monday, for Tuesday. You know what I mean? But anyway, I will tell you now. I'm going to actually have to move some days around, so please don't get disappointed. But I'll give you a heads up right now. We're not going to make donuts because there's things I'd rather you make instead. Because one of the things that was scheduled to be made on Monday, we're not going to be making. We're going to make it on Tuesday instead. And so I'd rather you make that because you need it for your practical.